Hi friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today we are going to show you how to prepare a perfect, nice, beautiful club sandwich. And to do that, let's go and start it. So friends, to prepare this club sandwich, I'll be using grilled chicken and a boiled chicken as well, shredded one. And along with that, I will need mayonnaise, lettuce, egg, tomato, onion, mustard sauce, sliced bread, salt for taste, and pepper. Now take 3 slices of bread and we have to toast them. You can either grill them or you can toast it. So let's toast this bread first. Now since the breads are getting toasted over there, let's take 100 grams of boiled shredded chicken over here. And to this add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and half teaspoon of mustard sauce. Now let's add a little bit salt for taste. A little bit of crushed pepper. Now let's mix this all well together. Now let's take 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise in a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now let's mix this well together. So friends, our breads are ready, our prep also is ready. To prepare one club sandwich, we require 3 sliced bread. So first I'm going to take the spread of ketchup and mayo that I have. I'm going to spread it on the sliced bread. So I've got slice of onions over here. So I'm going to put some onion. And I've got some slice of fresh tomatoes as well. So I've got fried egg over here. I've done fried egg, fried it both the sides, well done. And I'm going to place it on top. Now let's place the second toast on top over here. And top of this sliced bread now, I'm going to place cheese. I'm sorry for the first place that I did not mention saying I'm going to use the cheese. I forgot to use it in the ingredient. I'm going to use 2 sliced cheese for this. Now I'm going to place the chicken mix that we have prepared. And on here, we're going to place some lettuce leaves on top. And finally, we are going to place the third slice on top. Now with the help of a knife, let's cut the edges. So now let's cut the sandwich in the middle over here and make it 2 half. So friends, our club sandwich is ready. The first slice is ready over here. For this, now I'm going to place a toothpick in the middle so that the breads doesn't move. And if you need, you can use a cherry tomato on top. So let's go and start with the other one. So we are doing the second club sandwich as well. The second club sandwich will be absolutely the same. We're just going to use the same process. Only I'm going to use is the grilled chicken instead of the shredded chicken that I've used for the previous one. So here, instead of having those boiled chicken that I used with mayonnaise and mustard, I'm going to use grilled chicken. You can grill the chicken, just cut into slices and just place it on top just this way. And finally, the second club sandwich also is ready. You place the bread on top and cut the edges and do the process as same. So friends, our club sandwich is ready now. If you've liked our recipe, please do show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final words to say, adios.